Hello students, so in continuation to the electrochemical cell electrode potential, today we have to talk about electrochemical series. If you remember, in previous video we have discussed about the electrode potential. In short, whenever a metal salt solution, any metal salt solution, for example zinc sulfate is taken and you dip zinc rod to it, zinc rod, because of its reactivity, gets the negative charge and zinc ion are produced to opposite field and electrode potential is developed. This is called oxidation. Similarly, when copper rod is dipped into copper sulfate solution, then copper ions from the solution move to the copper rod get positive charge, solution have more sulfate ion again, but this is called as the reduction potential. We have discussed how to get them. We can calculate them by using standard hydrogen electrode, which is also called as reference electrode. So what we have done, we calculated the electrode potentials for different elements. And then what we have done, one thing we did here, we changed all the potentials either as oxidation or reduction. So we prefer to change them to reduction because normally element wants to go to its more stable state. So on this account, what we have done, we have changed all the potentials to their reduction potential value. For example, for zinc, this is its oxidation potential is equals to 0.76 volt, but we change to it, that is reduction potential. And what do we find? You see, first the symbolization is changed. Here zinc ion shows that zinc is converting into zinc ion, means it shows the process for oxidation and its value comes to be 0.76 volt. But here zinc ion zinc means it shows that zinc ion is converting into zinc and its potential value comes to be 0.76 volt. What I mean to say, the numerical value remains same, only sign is changed. For example, for copper we have, this is because it undergoes reduction, so we have reduction potential only, this is plus 0.34 volt. Now remember, all we get the reduction potentials. Why we are calling it as E naught? Reason, this half cell or this half cell, they are in their standard states. Standard states means pressure is 1 bar, temperature is 298 Kelvin and concentration of ions in the solution is 1 molar. At this value we got these, E naught, and secondly metal ion oblique metal reduction, metal ion oblique metal reduction. So what we did, we got the reduction potentials of all the metals and we arranged all the metals in a series in an increasing or decreasing order of reduction potential. Like for example, what we have done, we have arranged all these elements in a potential in an increasing order of reduction potential, and what we find, lithium is at the top. You see its reduction potential value, I hope it's very clear, it is the reduction process. Its reduction potential value is minus 3.05 volt. And for at the bottom we have right now fluorine, again its reduction process accepts electron to form F negative ion and its potential value is 2.87 volt. In this electrochemical series where all the elements are arranged in increasing order of their potentials, in order of their reduction potential, at the top we have lithium with least potential value and at the bottom we have fluorine with maximum potential value. So this is electrochemical series. Now in what way this electrochemical series or electrode potentials can be used? The very first use is that, actually why we started this, to this electrode potential, I just want to recollect. Actually we were talking about electrochemical cell. We were discussing, okay, let us consider in very brief, we were having a Daniell cell, zinc sulfate solution with zinc rod, and we were having copper sulfate solution with copper rod, and this was the you can say cell setup. This is salt bridge, and we observed electron traveled from zinc to copper. this is zinc rod and this is copper rod. So if you can recollect, this electrode potential we discussed in this context only, and point was कि why this electron travel from zinc to copper. Now I think it is very clear कि when these half cells are made, they develop their electrode potential values, they have different electrode potential values, and because of this difference in electrode potential, electron travel, and this is called electromotive force. This is called electromotive force. We call it as electromotive force. And just to remember, just to regain or just to retain what I want to tell you, by what I told, because of difference in potential. So bachcho, whenever you want to find the difference, generally we get or we find the difference from a greater value to a lesser value. I had just written the values. For copper, its reduction potential value was 0.34 volt, and for zinc, its reduction potential value was minus 0.76 volt. So let us talk about this cell only. So if we want to get this electromotive force, what we have to do? We have to do only one thing, कि from electrode potential of this copper, and here this copper is a cathode that we discussed in previous video, and in this case it is anode. So what formula we get? EMF is equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. To get this EMF, we always get E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Remember, this is a formula to get the EMF. And remember, whenever you get this EMF always should be positive value, then only the cell is working. If somewhere you get a negative value of EMF from some calculations, then cell is not working. This is first application of electrochemical series of electrode potentials. Secondly, by knowing these electrode potentials, even you can compare the oxidizing power and reducing power of these metals only. I just tell you again, I just share with you the two extreme conditions. For lithium, its reduction potential value is minus 3.05 volt, and for you can say fluorine, its reduction potential value is, that is 2.87 volt. So which has more reduction potential value? Fluorine. So since fluorine has more reduction potential value, means fluorine favors reduction, and if fluorine favors reduction, what we have to say? It is an oxidizing agent. And if lithium reduction potential is minus 3.05 volt, means it does not prefer reduction, then it prefers oxidation. Because its value is minus, so it prefers oxidation, then we have to say this is to be considered as a reducing agent. So I am just telling you the application of electrochemical series or these electrode potential. First we got to find EMF. Second we got to compare what? Oxidizing and reducing natures. Next, we can also tell about the, or you can say we can compare the reactivity between the metals, that what two metals will be more reactive or which metal can displace another. So this is another case. You can compare the reactivity of metals also, that is which metal is going to replace the another. Remember, which is going to be act as a good oxidizing agent, means it prefers reduction, and which is to be called as a good reducing agent is going to be undergo the oxidation. So metal which oxidizes itself replaces the other metal. Remember, so these are few, you can say, uses of these electrochemical series on which we have to focus more. But remember, whatsoever I am talking right now, I am talking about the conditions when your electrodes or from this electrode cell mate is in its standard state. I repeat, standard state, temperature of 298 Kelvin, pressure is 1 bar and concentration is 1 molar. For that we had discussed it. Now in further videos we will basically focus on this use of this formula, that is EMF. Thank you. Watch and subscribe.